You are so much dull in English. But why?
No.
At least a little bit you should speak English. You don't know. You don't know.
Yes. No.
Actually, you don't know your race. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where?
Now.
Laos. Are you from Laos?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Just I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh? Our nice country, Bangladesh.
Thank you.
Especially, can you speak English? Fluent or little bit? English speaking
No.
style. Little, little. Can you speak English little?
I don't know English.
You don't
I
know.
know English.
You don't know English at all.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, set. But why? Why cannot you talk English?
Mhm.
But why? Because it is not your mother tongue. It is not your mother tongue. That is why you cannot speak English fluent. This is the main reason behind it.
Speak English. No.
Okay, okay, okay. But I can suggest you. Actually, our mother tongue Bengali. Our mother tongue Bengali, but I can speak English fluent because to communicate with each other all over the world, we should know English. This globe, this globe is used for tracking someone locations. Okay, I talk,
Okay.
I talk to different people all over the world. With the different people, I practice English, I learn English, I speak English with different topics. Really, but from this day, from this day, you have to practice. You have to practice English every single day with your friends, cousins, and others. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to learn English from me? I can support you. I can help you. But actually, you don't know how to divide long words. This is the main problem of yourself. Really. Actually,
I don't know.
no, no, actually, you are, you don't understand me. You don't understand me what I am sharing with you. You don't understand or realize. Oh, okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. No. I don't.
But why don't you know? Why don't you know English? You should practice English in the present situation to communicate with each other all over the world. Because English is an international language. It is spoken all over the world. It is very essential. It is very important. It is very momentous. If you mistake to speak English, you don't understand or you cannot understand anybody in this platform. Really, you have to practice English every single day. You are watching in hand a spoken English book. A spoken English book.
Uh.
Basically, I am private teacher. I am private teacher. I teach not only English but also mathematics. Private teacher, private teacher. Okay. But what is your name?
Okay.
What is your name? Name. Your name.
What's your name?
Your name. Your name. Yes, your name. What is your name?
I don't.
Actually, you don't know. You don't know how to speak English,
You don't know.
your name in English. But why?
Yes.
This is Zakaria Hussain. Zakaria Hussain. Muhammad Zakaria Hussain. Really?
No. Yeah.
Actually, you are so much dull in English. You are so much dull in English, but why? Thank you for your acceptance. But
You.
but I can suggest you,
Bye.
and I am giving my suggestion to speak English. Actually, your country Laos. Am I right? Laos. This is your country Laos. Laos. Okay. But
Oh.
Laos. Your country Laos. Laos. We can divide your country into two parts. How many parts? How many parts your country? Two parts. Two?
Hello? No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We we can divide your country into two parts. Laos. Laos. And our country Bangladesh. Please listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me what I say. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Hả? Ý sao các bạn không của? À.
Okay. Please listen to me. Listen to me.
Món Lao.
Laos. Your country Laos. Two parts. Your country we can divide into two parts. Laos. And our country Bangladesh. Bangladesh. We can divide our country into three parts. How many parts? Three parts. Actually, you have to know at first how to divide long words. Any long words you have to practice at first. Okay. Do you know syllable? Do you know syllable? Syllable? Do you know syllable? You don't know. You don't know. Okay. Actually, your name have. Are you have? Have. Your name have. Your name have. Name.
Have.
Your name have.
You name have.
Oh. What is your real name? What is your real name? Real. Accurate name. Accurate. You don't know.
No.
Oh. Actually, you are so much dull in English. But why?
No.
Actually, you should know English. You should practice English a little bit. At least a little bit. You should speak English. Really? Actually, how old are you? How old are you? Age. I am 30. I am 30 years old. You don't know. You don't know.
Yes. No.
Actually, you don't know your age. Actually, you are so much dull. I am extremely sorry. Actually, you don't know your age. I am 30. 30 years old. And you? You? Actually, you are the spectator. You are the spectator in my live streaming. Just as a spectator, you are watching. I am how I can communicate, how I can talk with you. Actually, you are the spectator. You are watching any kind of play on the stadium, just to look like a stadium. Actually, you cannot reply my any questions answer. Any question answer you cannot reply. How strange. Oh. Okay.
I don't know.
Actually, followed you. Follow. Actually, followed you. Follow me. Follow me.
No.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much. We'll talk to each other with different topics.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
See you again next day.
Yes.